Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video here we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace the third brake light guys. The light that's actually in the rear window. Stay with us, we'll explain everything from start to finish, because if you don't do it the correct way guys, you can damage it really easy and then you won't be able to install a new light. Now, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to purchase any parts for your car or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. You can get everything for a really good price and incredibly fast shipping as well. So this is it guys here, Chevy Cruze 2015, but it should work for the whole generation. So now we're going to explain guys how to remove and replace that third brake light. Okay, this is guys the third brake light right here. Okay, we're a little bit dusty, so we'll go ahead and what you need to do now guys. If you try to pry on the inside, you're going to ruin everything, so don't do that. Now let me explain guys how we're going to do it. You need to open your trunk. Okay, open your trunk, and now we're going to go ahead. Let me just situate the camera and everything else. Right here underneath now guys. Okay, I'm trying to come. Okay, you can see this is the trunk. Now right here, if you look. Okay, 1 second, because I need to locate the hose. Okay, 1 second. If you guys come, you're going to find two holes, and if you get a Torx 15, start looking bit guys. Okay, like that one here. This is the first hole. Okay, and we're going to get the screw loose. Okay, screw came out. Now we have one more hole guys. This one, okay, it came loose as well. I'm just trying, okay, let's pass the camera to somebody just to hold it like that for a second. Okay, perfect, right there. So it looks like this screw is loose. Okay, it came out. So, perfect guys, we're done here. Now, let me show you what the screws look like. Okay, the screws guys, right here. That's what they look like, that's how long they are, that's what the head of the screw looks like. Now, I'm going to go inside the car now. So, we'll get another person to hold the camera so I can explain what needs to be done. But we need to guys get a clip removal tool. Okay, let me get a clip removal tool and a small screwdriver here. We need to come right there. And okay, we're going to hold the camera like that. Now we have one clip here, so we need to gently pull it up. This one came loose. Sometimes you might need to push in a little bit, pull it up. Now you need to grab it and pull it towards the front of the car and up. Now guys, we have that connector that we need to disconnect. How we do that, that white thing. Okay, it needs to come down like that. Press in here. Disconnect now guys. And what we have here guys, third brake light. As you can see, we just removed it like that. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that guys. That's how you remove it. The installation is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.